Hi guys, welcome to jinangoodcut Machinery Company Limited. This is our top quality fiber laser cutting machine. The working size for this machine is 1500 by 3000 millimeters standards. Other working size can be customized according to your requirements. Talking about its laser source, we use the famous Chinese brand Reikos of 1500 watts. Other watts are optional according to your cutting thickness. Here we have the zip cut controller and software, which has different languages, so it's very easy to operate. This is the handheld. This machine is equipped of an autofocus rail tools laser head for the cutting, as you can see. Inside here, we have the high-quality Japanese Fuji motors and shampoo reducer. Inside here, we have the Taiwan I-Wing guide rails and rake. For these machines, we provide other parts, such as industrial water chiller, hair fan, and industrial computer. Also, we offer consumables for free, such as nozzles, ceramic rings, and lenses. Come with me, please. So now, let us have a look on samples that these machines can make. As you can see, this is a carbon steel cut by this machine. You can have a look on the cutting quality. It's very smooth and very straight. These machines not only cut carbon steel, we can also cut stainless steel. Take a look. It's very smooth, very well done. We provide 2 years warranty, but we are very confident in our machine's quality. So if you need any machine, please don't hesitate to contact us, jinangoodcut Machinery Company Limited. Thank you.